Made in the USA, Puracyn Plus is used for cleansing, irrigating, debriding, and adding moisture to wounds, setting the stage for optimal healing conditions. All Puracyn Plus products are made with hypochlorous technology, a non-toxic alternative to antibiotic ointments or hydrogen peroxide, for a safer way to clean the wound and jumpstart the healing process. An ideal solution for better wound care. Keep Puracyn Plus on hand for all your first aid and skin care needs. We utilize a unique hypochlorous technology to power Puracyn Plus for the best way to clean cuts, scrapes, minor sores, rashes, and other skin irritations. Promotes healing. Use Puracyn Plus to effectively clean the wound and create an ideal environment for the wound to heal properly. Completely safe and non-toxic. Puracyn Plus is a safer alternative to antibiotics and steroids for proper wound management. The non-toxic formula is safe for the entire family, from newborns to elderly adults, and is safe enough to use around sensitive areas including eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Non-stinging wound cleanser. Contrary to popular belief, your wound cleanser doesn't need to sting or burn in order for it to work. Puracyn Plus has no alcohol, iodine, or any other ingredients that would cause stinging or irritation during application. CLINCALLY proven and doctor recommended. Puracyn Plus uses a similar technology to what is currently being used in many wound care centers and hospitals around the world to help clean and manage your minor wounds and skin problems at home. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.